Is manual auditing optional? When it comes to accessibility compliance, whether it's the ADA, ACA, EAA, or Section 508, manual auditing is not optional. These laws expect organizations to take real, documented steps to assess and improve accessibility. And while automated scans are helpful for flagging common issues like missing labels or color contrast errors, they can't determine compliance on their own. Manual auditing brings human insight to areas automation can't reach, like whether alt text is meaningful in context, whether focus order makes sense, or whether error messages are actually usable. It's tempting to think of manual and automated auditing as an either-or decision. But really, they work best together. The best workflow uses both. Start with automation to catch the low-hanging fruit. Then manually audit for deeper user experience and conformance issues. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.